Are you searching for the best circular saws and power tools for your next DIY or professional project? First up, the DEWALT 20V Max Circular Saw with a 5,150 RPM motor. It's designed for fast, smooth, and accurate cuts. Second, the Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw, featuring a 15-amp motor, precision miter angles, and a lightweight, portable design. Third, the Worx WX801L.9 mini cutter is a compact, one-handed power tool that cuts through metal, tile, and plastic with ease. Fourth, for those who need a high-speed cordless option, the Greenworks 24V circular saw delivers 4,800 RPM with adjustable bevel and depth settings. Fifth, the Makita SH02 R112V circular saw is a lightweight, compact saw that's perfect for quick, accurate cuts on plywood, MDF, and more. And finally, the Black Plus Decker 20V5 1/2 circular saw is versatile for DIY projects, offering tool-free adjustments and a pivoting shoe for better control. Which one is your favorite? Check them out in the links below.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos for more amazing gadgets. See you next time.